Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Welcome to part 3 of my DOS-Windows 98 PC build. We got some pirate themes over here. We got some pirate music over here. And the music comes out from really bad $5 speakers. I mean, they're not the best, but it's just some test speakers, guys, so bear with me. Alright, my DOS PC is built. It's ready for some gameplay and it runs incredible. So with some pirate theme in the background and with some pirate boxes, let's check out this machine. As I said, this is part 3 and I got so many mails from you guys. I'm so happy, so many mails and links and updates, and it's just incredible how much you answered to my questions in part 1 and 2. So let's see what this one ended up with. As you can see here, it's got a CD-ROM drive up top, 8-speed. 32 speed and 8 speed CD-ROM drive burner. It's designed for Windows 95, a disk drive, and that's about it. All these LEDs work, that's great. We got a little tiny reset switch down there. So the PSU is a 200 watt, and that should be enough for this machine. I'm so happy with this one. So let's just tip it over so we can take a better look. We got 3 PCI slots, and on part 2 I asked about different I will just different sound cards, and some said use the AWE34, but most mails I got, they said that I should use this model, Soundblaster AWE32 model CT2760. This should be the best for general MIDI, and guys, it sounds great. I am perfect with it. It's a super nice sound, and I just love that card. Matrix graphics card. PCI, is it good or bad? I have no idea. So I have one little issue with this one, and that is the cooling part. As you can hear the noise, but when I when I close the cabinet, it's really lowness. But yeah, you can hear it now. But if you check this out, don't do this at home. But as you can hear, it's the CPU cooler. It's very noisy. So I have to replace that. It's an Intel Pentium 133. I think it needs an active cooler, but I have to read about it, because if I can get a big ass passive cooler, then I will probably do that and put a little 8mm low noise fan here that can push in some cold air. But other than that, it's pretty noiseless, because the fan up here, I have replaced that and I can't really hear nothing. It's incredible. I really love that. I also do the same thing with my Amiga 1000 and Amiga 2000 computers. Always replace the fan to, yeah, it's much better to work with like that. Well, other than that, the hard disk, the built-in hard disk, it was a noisy one. It's, I don't know, 20-30 years old, I don't know. But it made a lot of noise, so that got replaced. And as you can see here, it's not easy to see. There we go. We got a little compact flash drive in there, 16 GB. And it's just, I just pushed it in right on the IDE slot, IDE 1, and I have read that they really don't like to have be as a master drive and on the same cable use CD-ROM drive as slave. So just use, if you want to use compact flash or SD card solution, just have it as one drive and use the secondary for optical drives. So I'm really loving it because 16 gigabyte, I mean, it's so easy to just pull it out, put it in my main computer and dump in some games and MIDI files and all that. I really love that solution. No noise, no nothing, and the speed of this is just incredible. I love it. So I will say, if you use Pentium 1 or 486, consider replacing the hard disk. I mean, I love the loading sound, clicking sound of the hard drive. Also when you turn it on, when it speeds up, so much nostalgic feelings, you know. But on everyday use, it's just so nice to eliminate the noise. I mean, yes, you can hear the music, but other than that, nothing else. So it's a great solution. As you can see, first I actually started with one of these. You can just put in a compact flash card in here and the cable here. And this one actually, I could use this as primary and my CD-ROM drive as secondary. It worked, but it shouldn't be that good. I don't know, but it worked here. I had this one, so after I finished it, I was like, where should I screw it in and all that. Then I opened one of my Amiga 4000s and I took this one out, put it in here. It's so convenient, and it's got, as you can see, 2 compact flash card readers at the bottom there, so I can just put in another compact flash card and move the files and all that. It's incredible, guys. I really enjoy using this one. So I set up the MIDI and all that, and I'm just having a blast playing with this computer. It's incredible, guys. So I just want to make a fast video to show part 3 that I'm happy with this build. It's great. A Pentium 133 megahertz. It's great for DOS games. I have played Heretic, Doom, Duke Nukem in VESA 800x600. Runs flawless. It runs perfect, no trouble at all. So it's a powerful machine for that era. I'm really enjoying it. So I want to say thank you for watching. I really hope you have watched part 1 and 2 also, because I was in doubt on which part to use, because I have maybe bought some parts that I don't need, you know, but it just happens in this hobby. We start collecting everything, you know. So I'm really happy with this build. So I'm thinking about replacing the disk drive with a GoCheck drive maybe. I'm not sure, but as long as this is so easy to just take the hard drive out, I don't know, it's cool with GoCheck, but yeah, let me see what's gonna happen. I have 2 megs of RAM here on the sound card. Maybe if the MIDI sound gets better, I will put in some more megs of RAM in there, but I don't know if it helps. If it does, I will upgrade that. It's got 32 megabytes of RAM, and that's SD RAM, and that's just enough. Running 66 megahertz, it's enough. I haven't had no trouble at all. On part 2, I was asking about 3D accelerator cards, and most people said use this one just as a standard DOS machine. Play the early to maybe mid-90s games, and if I want to, use Voodoo and all those awesome thingies, then just upgrade to a Pentium 2 or Pentium 3. So I'm on the hunt for a Pentium 3 now, and when I find one that I like, then I will probably make another video, another DOS dash Windows 98 build video. So I just want to say thank you for watching, guys. It has been a nice journey for me to you know, I haven't touched this for 20 years. It has been, I should learn everything from the beginning again, and it's just great. I mean, the sound is great. I know shitty speakers and through my camera and all that, the version you're listening to is not that good, but in here, so many nice details in the background and all that. It's incredible. I really wish I knew about better sound cards back then. Nobody was talking about sound cards. I remember my first PC had 4 megabytes of RAM and I wanted to upgrade to 8 megabyte. And then my CPU was 100 megahertz, and we were only talking about the next step would be faster CD-ROM drives, because we didn't need much CPU speed and all that. That was what we talked about back then, but boy, who was wrong. Yeah. So guys, again, thank you for watching. I hope you'll subscribe. More of these retro computers and all that will come up. I have so many great ideas and so little time, but they will come out. So please subscribe, and if you like this series, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, play some Monkey Island, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.